In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add pictures on Google Slides from phone. We'll use the Google Slides app because it's the simplest and most reliable way on both Android and iPhone. By the end, you'll know exactly how to place a photo from your gallery, take a brand new shot with your camera, or pull an image straight from your Google Drive. Start by opening the Google Slides app on your phone. Find and open the presentation you want to edit, then tap the small pencil icon to switch into editing mode. If you don't see that icon, the file may be view only, or you might not have permission to make changes, so double check that you're in the correct account and that the presentation is editable. Once you're in edit mode, tap the slide where you want the picture to appear so the app knows where to insert it. Next, look at the top of the screen for the plus button. Tap the plus, then choose image. You'll see the official options the mobile app supports: camera, photos, and drive. These cover the most common scenarios and keep everything smooth and compatible on mobile. If your image is already in your phone's gallery, choose Photos. Your photo library will open and you can browse or tap the image you want. As soon as you select it, the app will return to your slide and place the picture there. Give it a moment if your image is large or your connection is slow. That's normal. If you'd rather capture something new on the spot, choose Camera. Your camera will open, so line up your shot and take the photo. When you're happy with it, tap Use Photo to confirm. The app will insert it into your slide automatically. If you're prompted to allow camera access, approve it so slides can take the picture. If your image is stored in the cloud, choose Drive. You'll see your Google Drive files and folders. Navigate to the image you want and select it to insert. Make sure you're signed into the account that contains the file and be patient while it loads, especially on mobile data. A few quick tips before we wrap up. Ensure you have a stable internet connection for Drive images, and keep image sizes reasonable for faster loading and smoother editing. Also, if the plus button seems inactive, confirm you're still in edit mode with the pencil icon. That's it. You've learned the easiest way to add pictures to Google Slides from your phone using the app's built-in options. Your changes save automatically, so you can pick up on another device anytime. Thanks for watching, and happy presenting.